Marjorie Brown ydw I, Prif Athrawes Ysgol St Oswalds. We nominated crew Sut Mae Siarad from St Oswalds achos mae crew Sut Mae Siarad yn bendigedig. They lead groups of children throughout the week in patterns of Welsh. They lead our Welsh assemblies every Wednesday through the medium of Welsh completely. They create signs to go around school. They have worked with parents on a parent session of how to use Welsh at home and how to play games within the home through the medium of Welsh. The impact that this group have had upon the whole school community has been outstanding. Last year, for example, 90% of our children achieved level 4 Welsh second language. This year, 100% achieved Welsh second language. Of that 100% achieving level 4, 50% achieved level 5. Last year, only one pupil out of a group of 11 achieved a level 5. So we're very proud of the work that this group have done in promoting the Welsh language. We're very thrilled that this was recognised during our Estyn inspection report, where the Estyn inspectors referred to our Welsh second language as being very good throughout the school and a very good feature. Along with our Section 50 report, as a church school we have 2 reports, and the Section 50 inspector actually referred to the Welsh language worship as being delightful and containing many aspects of excellence. So it's recognised in both reports, which thrilled us even more. Our Governor with responsibility for Welsh second language, Mrs Jones, attended the Shwmae Day last year with us in Tenby and was thrilled to witness the children working through the medium of Welsh and enjoying all the aspects of the Welsh activities that were provided on that day.
Catherine ydw I, dwi'n dysgu yn Ysgol St Oswalds yn dosbarth 2. Fi ydy cydlynydd Cymraeg a dwyieithrwydd yn yr ysgol. Penderfynais i ddechrau'r criw Cymraeg ar ôl mynychu'r cynhadledd Cymraeg yn 2014 a clywes i am yr effaith positif oedd y criw Cymraeg yn ysgolion eraill wedi wneud. So des i nôl i'r ysgol a penderfynon ni dechrau criw Cymraeg. Sefydlon i'r criw Cymraeg fel criw Sut Mae Siarad achos oedd y plant yn moyn dysgu'r disgyblion eraill i siarad Cymraeg. Dros y flwyddyn diwethaf mae'r athrawon wedi magu hyder. Mae agwedd positif yn yr ysgol gyda'r athrawon a'r staff i gyd a'r plant. Ni'n dysgu gyda'n gilydd a ni'n sicrhau bod pawb yn ymwybodol o beth sy'n disgwyliedig. Mae'r ysgol wedi newid yn llwyr, mae llawer fwy o hyder i ymdrechu. Fel ysgol, ni'n cynnal boreon Cymraeg lle mae'r athrawon yn dysgu trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg yn unig. Ni'n cynnal wythnos Gymraeg yn yr ysgol a mae bobl yn dod mewn i wneud gwahanol weithgareddau. Ni'n cynnal eisteddfod ysgol. Ni'n cael prynhawn darllen lle mae plant yn darllen i'r plant ieuanga yn yr ysgol. Ni'n cynnal gwersi i rhieni. Mae'r ysgol i gyd yn gallu gwneud gweddi'r arglwydd yn y Gymraeg. Mae helpwr heddiw yn bob dosbarth. Mae'r plant yn cwestiynu'r athrawon a'r plant ar y carped amser cofrestru. Ni'n cyflwyno caneuon Cymraeg. Yn ystod ein sioeau nadolig, ni'n cyfieithu caneuon Saesneg i'r Gymraeg. Mae clwb Cymraeg gyda ni yn ystod tymor yr Hydref a tymor Gwanwyn. Rydyn yn disgwyl i bob aelod o staff ddefnyddio'r Gymraeg yn aml bob dydd. Ni wedi cefnogi'r cwrs sabarthol i athrawon a cynorthwywyr mwyn hybu'r iaith Gymraeg yn yr ysgol. Os chi'n cerdded mewn i'r stafell nawr, mae pawb yn siarad Cymraeg. Chi'n clywed y plant, yr athrawon, y cynorthwywyr, maen nhw gyd yn siarad Cymraeg. Dros y 10 mlynedd diwethaf, mae'r ysgol wedi newid yn llwyr. Mae bob athro'n cynllunio geirfa a phatrymau sy'n cyd-fynd gyda'r thema bob tymor, a mae'r plant yn defnyddio rhain yn y gwersi.
Jessica ydw i, Katie ydw i, Finley ydw i, Rhiannon ydw i, Toby ydw i. A new mae siarad Cymraeg Ysgol St Oswalds.
As crew sut mae siarad, our responsibilities are
Promote Cymraeg ar yr ysgol.
share our learning with parents, 15 minutes lefel Gymraeg to reinforce patrwn of wythnos.
Rydym yn chwarae Jenga Cymraeg at gyfnerthu patrymau yr wythnos.
Rydym y chwch boedd wythnos. We set new sentences each week. For example, beth wyt ti'n hoffi wneud? We record these and put them in a box and each class replies.
During our gwasanaeth Cymraeg, we award a member of each class a dry cough and a certificate, siarada ar wythnos. Rydyn yn gyfrifol am arwain gwasanaeth Cymraeg bob wythnos.
My job during gwasanaeth Cymraeg is to ask oes penblwydd gyda rhywun.
We then all sing Penfro hapus.
Yn webes i'r criw sut mae siarad am ei frwd frydedd yn y Gymraeg. Maen nhw wedi codi profil y Gymraeg yn yr ysgol.
I feel our crew Sigma Sharad should achieve this award because it would give them the crowning glory of all the work that they have undertaken and promoted this year, build upon the confidence and the excellence that has been achieved, and confirm the judgments that were delivered to the school through the Estin and Section 50 inspections. The children themselves have worked hard, they're delightful, they remember everything they've got to do without any prompts, without any guidance. It'd be the final accolade in their successful year this year.
We think we should win the award because
We lead and encourage Welsh in our school.
not so long ago there was very little Welsh in Ysgol St Oswalds.
Since Crew Sut Mae Siarad Cymraeg, everybody uses Welsh with confidence.